Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be showing us a couple of ways to style our braids and how I particularly style my braids, especially now that they're old, untidy and tacky. By tacky, old and untidy, guys, let me show you what I mean. This here is literally 2 months old, still looks fresh at the tail, still looks everything, but the roots are nothing. I have nothing to say. It's just, I don't know if you guys can see it very well, but it's just so unpresentable. Let me now show you the front. I'm actually exposing myself right now, but yeah, so that's what my hair is looking like. I'm going to be showing you a couple of ways I style it, cover up whatever it is looking like right now. And if you guys enjoyed this video or like this kind of videos, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notifications, share to friends that would also like this kind of content, and also subscribe and also share to friends. And yes, so the first thing I'm going to be doing to kickstart this video is to lay down my edges, because laying down my edges most of the time help me to look more presentable. So after I lay down my edges, then I'm going to start the video for real. So let me go lay down my edges and I'll be right back. Alright you guys, so edges is all done. Let's get the video started. Fine girl, you can't tell me nada. Now I feel like I don't want to lose anything here. Let's continue. So you guys, this pretty much concludes this video. This pretty much concludes the whole section of styling my hair. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did making it, because those styles it made me just realize that I'm actually fine. No, I knew, but like I just realized again some of these styles that this girl is so fine, sex. But yeah, so if you guys really enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, share this video to friends of friends of friends and friends, and please put in the comment section what next you want to see on this channel. And with that being said, you guys, I'll see you next time.